Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm inside and I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing today. On the internet I saw them selling some sugarcane seeds, which are these. So I decided to get some and see what happens. I said to you I'm going to try and get some things what's different. So what I've got here, I've got a container, was a food container or something, what they left behind. So what you do, you just get a bit of tissue paper and put it inside, and you're going to wet it a bit. And they said that these seeds are meant to sprout in 24 hours. You'll see sprouts coming through. So we're going to see if that's true or not. Wetted the paper, and I'm going to get the seeds and I'm going to put them in. And then these, if they sprout and start growing, I'm going to put them in a big tub and then put them in the greenhouse for now until when they get to the size where I can put them out and see what happens. They're meant to be a perennial as well, so we'll see what happens there. And I've got something else to do as well, so I'm going to show you that in a minute. This video is not going to be a very long one. Let me just wet this a little bit more so that the sides are wet. This tissue paper is so useless sometimes. Let me get another little piece, put in there because it's starting to tear through already. And all you do, you're just going to be resting the seeds on there, and then I'm going to be putting this on a windowsill until when they sprout, then I'll put them on and see if they grow. So I hope you're all enjoying my videos. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. As many as you who's left comment, you see that we acknowledge each and every one of you. And thanks to all those who have subscribed to the channel so far. Tell your friends, tell your neighbours, tell your children to subscribe to the channel. There's nothing on there what shouldn't be on there. It's a channel for everyone, and all we're doing is just showing everyone how they can do gardening, plant different things. I'm still learning, so I'm not going to know everything, but there's other people on there what you can ask questions, and if they read the comments and see that you've left something on there but you could need to know, then maybe we can all help each other eventually. So I'm just going to put a tiny bit more water on this. So I'm going to leave this for 24 hours. Like they said, I'm just going to, I don't know if that's enough water in there. I hope it is. So that's all what I've done. So I've got another box here, what been sent. So I'm going to open this, then I'm going to show you what's in there. I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've got something else here what I'm going to put up, but I'm going to show you to be careful because I'm not sure if there's prickles on them. And as you can see here, a dragonfruit cactus. So that's what it looks like. I've got two. So these ain't been rooted yet, these have been cut. Thanks to the guy who sent me these. Something else to try. So this I'm going to I'm going to leave in my conservatory first, and then I'm going to take it down the allotment and put this on in the greenhouse. I think it will do better in the greenhouse than the polytunnel. I don't know which one's going to be hotter, but we've got both of them now up, so I can put more tropical things in there. I've got the ochras in there. I brought some yacons, but I'm not sure what's happening with those because we had morning of some frost was on the ground, and it looked like the frost caught some of the leaves, so I don't know. I have to reach out and see if anybody else has got any what they can send me. I don't want too many of those because I know they spread and grow quick, so I'm just trying to keep everything compact at the moment so I can get as much footage to you as possible. So these are dragon fruits. I'm just trying to see if there is, yeah, there's some little small prickles in them. Show you, that's what the bottom of it looks like. So I'm going to put these two in one pot, maybe until when they get rooted, and that once they get rooted, then I'll most probably get another bigger tub than this and put one in each. So when it's and then once the weathers get hot, then I can leave them out, maybe leave them outside or leave them in a greenhouse or polytunnel, whichever one is more convenient at the time. So in this, I've just got some compost, some bloodfish and bone, a little bit of Epsom salts, and some chicken manure pellets. That's what you're seeing on the top. I'm just going to put one on each side. Going to dig a little hole. I don't know how far down I need to dig this hole, because I just need it to get the roots and then get established. So I'm going to put it down like that, and then hopefully it doesn't rot or anything, and then just cover that in, press it down in there. Then I've got this one's a bigger one. It's a nice piece what he sent me. So it must be, it must be grown over here. So that's what the bottom of this one looks like. It's just got a bit of browning on the top here, but hopefully it will be all right. I'm going to put this one over here. What I want them to do is get the roots. Once they've got the roots, then I can repot them. I don't know how far down, or nothing much about them yet. Everything, like I said, is just with your help and thanks to the person. So this is going to go in my conservatory, where it's nice and hot in there during the daytime. So all I'm going to do now is just water this in. You don't need a lot of water, they said, just free draining. So this soil is a very light soil, so I'm just going to give it just to wet the soil. Try and get these established. Hope you all enjoy this one. This is our dragon fruit. We're getting the things what you're asking for. So this is your dragon fruit, like I said, and your sugar cane. Please remember, subscribe to the channel and get us where we should be, so we can all help each other along. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Thank you.